man, this is really living.
We're committed to the art of nothing stop us, not even a train, plane, tractor, all of us as we feel the rhythm inside the marrow of our bones, and we're fascinated by the music sounds in headphones.
Free box beats brings me a relevant speech. Like two girls were matching, going to a fashion pageant, asking for some passionate actions with any old masculine man friend. Wait a minute, let me change my tangent. Flows tactical, inapplicable for PCs and apples. I snap to slap you, then act cool, natural. Quite attached to getting rich and getting some chicks, and maybe a fan that's willing to chill in the sticks. I'll tell you what I think, even if society isn't behind me or the community isn't in unison. Open your ears.